All right, right, guys. Back to what we were talking about. We're doing makeup. We're gonna have all the superpowers that we need to get through the day because we're going full Rudolph with these red noses. I'm gonna be applying. How you guys doing? Happy Friday. Whatever day that it is that you're watching this, I record this on a Friday. It was a great day. Everybody, look at my top. Look at my hair. It's not square. It's quite oval and rectangular. What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is all moving a little bit too fast. Here is some tears of children for you. We're gonna be applying this to my scalp, and we're gonna be pulling it out like Wreck-It Ralph, if you know what I mean. Taking down everything. Ladies, I am looking great today. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Okay, I'm feeling myself. Remember, guys, Beyonce 316. Lemonade was a great album. That's about it. That's about it. Because it was avant-garde. Okay, all right then. So now back to what we were doing here. We have our obvious fluffer nutter material that we're going to be applying to our skin. As you can see, I'm looking quite melanated on my hand now, and now we're going to have to get rid of that. Because we're heading into winter. What woman wants to be seen as like she walks around outside? That's not where men want us. That's not where men want us. The kitchen's is calling us, sisters. Oh, I apologize. I apologize to everybody. I was just informed that this is a new age, and we must have respect for each and every one of us. All right, guys, I'm right back to it, and we're applying the bronzer to my face now because that's what Spartacus would want. He was the one who worked for human rights and advancing civilization through the means of physical force. All right, right, guys, back to what we were talking about. We're doing makeup. All right, so now we have softened Twinkies. This is how we keep ourselves sweet, supple, fluffy, all the things that a man would seek in a relationship. Because who doesn't like a relationship that doesn't spoil like a Twinkie? 5,000 years from now, our love will be eternal. All right, we're still here applying melted, I don't know, animal products to our face to ensure that we're going to have all the superpowers that we need to get through the day. Some of us need Starbucks. Me, I use bronzer and filters. This microphone brush, we've been through so much together. Just a moment ago, I looked like I was trying to get into a tribe. Now I look like I'm black fishing. Guys, I am black. Welcome to my life. Divine mix. Okay, so with this hexagonal tube of push pop sticks, we're going to be eating this to supply ourselves with the nutrients. Okay, no, we're going to be applying it to our nose. We're going to be brushing our noses with it. Because that's a new way that the kids are taking in their nutrients these days. And I think they start sneezing a lot. I think that their parents should have taught them how to cook properly. All right, so have you guys seen Moulin Rouge? This is their cousin. Lamb bouillon or bouillon. It seasons pots, and because we're cooking right now, guys, we're cooking. Alrighty. What? Lip gloss time, guys. Yes, I know the hell till I wasn't searching for something. I was looking for inspiration. All right, guys, we're right back to it. And shouts out to all of our people who have watched Robin Williams, Patch Adams when he played that clown. That's my inspiration for today. Because we're going full Rudolph with these red noses I'm going to be applying. And don't worry, ladies, it's not about how you got there. It's where you're getting to. Because it's the end result we're looking at. So now that I'm applying this gloss of dough skin. I don't know. I'm looking very supple though. I'm looking like Bambi walking on here with shaking legs. She was just born, ladies. Just born. Okay. My Pandora's box. of evil tricks. Once I release this, the screens of many, many children will start to exit. It's all the child labor. We apologize. We're still gonna have to use this though. This custard is really great for not just your hair. It's great for what is this? This is all the haters I'm rubbing off now, and now I'm DJing. All right, back to the tears of our children and jam. All it takes is, oh my goodness, we're putting the microphone brush in it. Why? I don't know. Is that gonna wash it easy? Okay, all right, we're gonna go ahead and apply the tears and jam to underneath their eye. How many times are we gonna apply makeup to the same areas? We still look the same. I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know. She woke up beautiful. She's gonna end it beautiful. It's just us looking at this beautiful woman touching herself with the microphone brushes in different areas. Why are we still here? You guys are here for me. Anyway, how was your week? Oh, I told we need to get back on topic. Okay, so this octagonal tube now. It's just the same thing as the hexagon tube. It looks the same. Does it look the same, guys? What does this mean? Oh, right. This one you apply by finger. This is the one, guys. This is one of the original makeups that our ancestors used. The cave woman, when they were looking for like a guy with a really big club, they had to apply this material from the cave walls. That's how they put the woolly mammoths up. This was the makeup that did it. All right, so we're back now. We're going back to the cave walls. You know, I'm starting to see a little glow on my face now. I'm starting to see it. It's either radiation from the combination of everything, or I'm really glowing out here, guys. Oh my goodness, just take it in. Looking quite soft, supple, another year younger. Like I'm looking a whole 14 years old. BBL Drizzy. BBL. As Tyler said, I know he is coming. All right, then we're gonna keep on going. This eyeliner and mascara 2-in-1 combination. You'll have you out here looking like a Cheshire cat in no time at all. Late nights doesn't matter. Mascara and tears. That's what we're here for. Like a new Olivia Rodrigo album, Gen Z. I'm looking at you. All right, guys, and just another one. The Stick of Truth. This one, it was as close to my. Oh, this is not eyeliner. This is something for eyebrows. Okay, all right. I mean, I could see them clearly before, but boy, oh boy, can we see them clearly now. I am stunning, guys. I am stunning. Okay, this is great. All right, by applying this brush now, I will continue having the same eyebrows I started with, the same exact ones. Just, I like really. I'm just doing this, guys. My eyebrows itch really, really bad. I don't know how to describe it. Oh, the feeling relief. Welcome back to Divine Mix. It's all in the mix. Oh, we're out here with our new sticks. It smells like Twix. And guys, guess where this one's going? To my not mouth, my eye mouth. Also known, sorry, my oral vision. Oral B, guys, stay fresh. How's the Brooklyn man? All right, no, all jokes aside. All right, so here applying or styling, going further. This is just all or nothing burger. I look the same as when I started. I don't know what's happening, guys. It just sometimes you just can't fix perfection. I woke up like this. Yes, you did. I woke up like this. Yes, you did. I woke up like this. She's done nothing. Yeah, I woke. 3 sticks now, guys. 3 sticks. We're gonna start eating Japanese food out here. Looky, another brush or pencil of some type. I'm so surprised. I think we've utilized about $1,250.33 of overpriced makeup at this very moment. In this one video, it's been applied. This is literal water in a tube now, guys. It's literal water. It tells you it does nothing from the outside. And read the back ingredients. It does not say not tested, has not been tested on animals. It says has not been tested to not waste your time. It's already done. Isn't that crazy? Stop looking around like you actually know what these things do. Oh my God, she's about to try the tribal chief warfare makeup again. This is the third time this one video. As this is done, I'm calling the Native American reservations. We're gonna have to let them know that we are all out here doing these wild and wicked things and posting them on the internet. Cultural appropriation. Come on, Divine Mix. We know you don't run a tribe. We know that. We know. Actually, I don't know. Don't cancel me here, guys. But doesn't she look just like she might be just 5% native now? If you know what I'm saying, just a touch of the nativism. All right. Little water again, guys. Little water. Overpriced inside the bottles and spritz on your face. Wow, I actually see a difference though. She is glowing. It's from all the water. It's from all the hydration. Wow. Amazing. Really beautiful, this woman. So cutesy. She did double thumbs up. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Divine Mix on the mix. I've done it again. Remember, I didn't do it to you. The companies, they did it to me first. All right, guys. You have a great day. Divine Mix on the mix. Bye.